What's up, Indie Decoders? Though this is a programming channel, I thought about uploading videos on graphic design besides making programming videos from now on. Don't worry, programming lessons are also coming, because when I was starting out with graphic design, I didn't know a lot of things. I didn't know what works and what doesn't, but now I have some skills, so I'm making this short character designing tutorial to help people who are struggling just like I did. So let's start with opening Adobe Illustrator. Click on the Create New button, and then go to the Art and Illustration tab at the right. Then click on the Poster Document Size. Click Create New. By the way, I'm using this color palette. If you want to use it, you can download it from the Google Drive link in the description. To open it, go to File and then click on Open. Click on the color palette and then click Open again. Click on it, press Ctrl+C to copy, and then go to your main document and place Ctrl+V to paste. Scale it down a little bit. Now let's start by drawing the background. To do that, click on the rectangle tool from the shapes options from the left. Now draw a rectangle like this. Press I on the keyboard to open the eyedropper tool. This tool allows you to color any object easily, so while selecting the rectangle, please press I and click on this color. Press Ctrl+Shift+Left square bracket to send it to the back. Here we go. Now what we have to do is lock this layer so it doesn't move. Go here and click here. Lock the layer. We have our background now, so let's begin. We will start by drawing the head of the character. To do that, select the rectangle tool. Now draw a shape like this. Color it. Now what we have to do is mold the shape. To do that, click on the selection tool and you can see these red dots around the rectangle. What you have to do is click once on a dot and then click again, but this time grab it like this. Hold it and grab it like this. It's just that easy. That way you'll be able to curve this shape. Do the same for the another one. Let's draw some more hair. This time, go to the Shape tools and right-click on it. Then select the Ellipse tool and draw a circle like this. Now we're going to add some side hair. Draw a rectangle like this. To make the corners round, zoom in by pressing Z and dragging your mouse. Then select the Selection tool and select the rectangle. But this time, don't select the corner. Just click on it once and hold it and drag it like this. That way, every corner will get shaped like this. To make these three shapes one, select the Selection tool and select all the shapes like this. Then go here and select this option. This will transform the shape into one single compound shape. So let's draw the head. Again, select the rectangle tool and make a shape like this. Color it with the eyedropper tool, mold it. To send the head behind the hair, click on the shape and press Ctrl+Left square bracket a few times. There we go. Now let's draw some side hair at the left. Draw it like this, zoom in and curve it. Again, color it, and then press Ctrl+Left square brackets a few times. Press them until it goes to the background. Now let's draw the eyes. Go and select the Ellipse tool again. Draw a little circle like this. Color it, copy it and paste it by pressing Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Now let's draw the nose. The process remains the same. Our head is almost ready. Now let's draw the mouth now. Select the Ellipse tool, draw a circle and color it. Now we're going to do something different. Make another circle like this, color it, and now draw a rectangle. Now select the three shapes, go here and click on this option. This option will divide the shapes into many fractions. Now go to the Selection tool, right-click, select the Direct Selection tool. Select here and press the Delete button. That way you get a solid shape. Let's draw the teeth. Pick a white rectangle like this. Select them, divide them again, and delete the unnecessary parts. The mouth and head is ready. Now what you can do is select them and group them. That way they will stay together. Now let's draw the neck. Again, use the same process. Draw a rectangle and curve it. Select it and press Ctrl plus left square bracket a few times. That way the neck will go to the background. In the same way, draw the body. Very simple. Now let's draw the arms. By the way, if you are enjoying this channel is all about helping programmers and graphic designers. If you have interest in any of them and you want to game up your skills in these areas, then please subscribe. Leave a comment about what other drawing tutorials or other tutorials you want. I would highly appreciate that. Now let's start again. We draw the arms like this and pick a different color for the arms. Now let's draw the hand. Just draw a circle like this and color it. Draw the finger with the help of the rectangle tool. Color it and curve them like this. Then select it and press Ctrl plus C to copy it, and then press Ctrl plus V 4 times to draw the other 4 fingers. There we go, we got the arms. Now we don't have to draw another arm. We can just group it, press Ctrl plus C, and press Ctrl plus V to paste it, and position it like this. And press Ctrl plus left square bracket a few times to send it to the back. The upper body ready. Let's draw the legs now. Again, it's the same rectangle technique. With rectangle, you can do a lot of things. Make a rectangle like this and color it. Curve it. Here we go, the leg. Now let's draw the shoe. Create this shape and click on this corner and shape it like this. Draw a white rectangle like this. Add some more details like this. Again, just like we did with the arms, group it and copy it and paste it. Send it to the back by pressing Ctrl plus left square bracket. It's time to add some more details now. Zoom in, select the pen tool, make sure the stroke is white and there is no fill. Now then draw strokes like this. Make it round. And there we go. Our character is ready. Thanks for watching, and if you want to learn more, you're always welcome to subscribe.